Hi, my name is Panis Azizi. I'm biology student from University of Tehran. By this presentation, I'm going to talk about coronavirus, symptoms, general information about the virus, and ACE2 receptors. As we know, this is the virus that the whole world are struggling with that. What do we know about the symptoms? The symptoms of coronavirus are cough, fever, probably shortness of breath. Some people also experience fatigue, as they do in flu. What should I do if I have those symptoms? Well, if you have those symptoms, you should stay at home for 7 days and look after yourself. And if you have a family, everybody should stay at the house for 14 days. How do I protect the people around me? All of us need to be taking the basic precaution that we have been advised about, which means washing our hands all the time, not touching our faces, and if you cough or sneeze, try to do it into a tissue and then throw it away. And we should keep our distance from other people. What is the mechanisms of the coronavirus?
The virus seems to attack two types of lung cells, gallbladder cells that coat the respiratory tract with mucus, and ciliated cells that usually filter out pathogens. A previous study published in Science found the virus spike protein has two receptor binding domain, or RBDs, facing downward and another facing upward. These allow the virus to bind with and invade human cells. The virus targets a human ACE2 receptors that has bonded with an amino acid transporter. This subtype of ACE2 structure has never been discovered before. The virus uses the spike protein up RBD to penetrate it to the cell. The virus that dissolves its own protein shell and release its RNA payload inside the cell. A coronavirus hijacks the cell structure to reproduce. The viral RNA takes over the host cell endoplasmic reticulum to replicate itself and to manufacture the protein parts to make a new virus. The hijacked cell's Golgi bodies then package viral RNA and proteins in a viral protein shell. This leads to the creation of new viruses that leave the infected cell via the membrane. The coronavirus takeover imposes stress on the host cell. Death or apoptosis is the result when the infection overwhelms the host cell's ability to maintain homeostasis.
So coronavirus spike glycoprotein promote entry into the cell and are the main target of the antibodies. Let's take a closer look of this spike protein. I also found an article which talks more about this spike protein. Coronavirus entry into host cell is mediated by the transmembrane spike S glycoprotein that forms homotrimers protruding from the viral surface. S compresses two functional subunits responsible for binding to the host cell receptors, S1 subunit, and fusion of the viral cellular membrane, S2 subunits. For many curves, S is cleft into the boundary between S1 and S2 subunit, which remain non-covalently bound in the pre-fusion conformation. And also you can see here a comparison of the coronavirus in SARS, S1 and S2 structure. So in this introduction video, we talked about morphology and function of this creepy virus. In the next video, I'm going to talk about how coronavirus could cause neurological damage. Thank you.